Remove the screws of the rear wings, bracket, and the head-up wheel. Remove the screws of the rear car body bracket. Take out the rear car body bracket. Remove the screws on the rear shock absorber. Take out the rear shock absorber. Install the new rear shock absorber bracket. Tighten the corresponding screws. Install the new rear shock absorber. Tighten the corresponding screws. Install the rear car body bracket. Tighten the corresponding screws. Install the rear wing bracket and the head-up wheel. Tighten the corresponding screws.